Recently, literally last week, I provoked my LinkedIn audience, and I'm definitely happy to see that my audience was disagree with me. The message I said was the idea worth a lot when the execution it's not too important. And the audience reaction was, "Hey Kosta, I completely disagree with you. It's because the execution is the most important part of any business." That's what I'm happy to see. It's because I'm completely right with you guys. The idea costs 10 cents, but the execution costs everything. This video I want to share my thoughts why it's better to do and how to launch your own business if you definitely want it. It doesn't matter what business you're thinking about. You can think of fintech, you can think of construction, you can just think of, I don't know, maybe buying flats, renovating flats, and then selling them with a margin. It's completely fine. The idea is, on your journey of the execution of your business idea, you will meet so many nice people, and basically, and definitely trust me, you will find and you will meet people who would like to help you. They will share their expertise with you. They will make an introduction for you with people they know can help you. That's why the key idea, the key pillar for your success at any business domain is to have your passion, to have intention, to definitely want to launch, set up, and do a business. Sometimes you may think of a particular result you want to achieve, but it's not absolute essential. It's because, as you can guess, I'm just now reading a nice book. It says every single Olympic sport person wants to win a gold medal. So basically, all of the attendant and sportsman people are similar because of their want, their need, and their dream. All of them, they want the Olympic gold on their chest. So basically all of them are equal, but not all of them are getting it. It's because you definitely need to be passionate about. You need to work on this idea, this business. And I would say my the most popular articles on my Medium channel, find the link below, are about how to start, how to launch a fintech business in the United Kingdom or in Europe. The answer is simple. Whenever the idea you will get initially, trust me, it will be changed or adopted and modified through tens, dozens, hundreds of meetings, calls you will have on your journey. This is the key idea. As a founder, as a person who is passionate about launching a business, you must be willing to do a pivot on your journey. It's because if you won't do that pivot, probably you will lose the opportunity to build a successful business. But at the same time, I want to mention that it's nice to have any sort of idea or business dream at your very beginning, because that will be a topic for you to start talks with other people. So basically, you definitely need to distinguish a domain you want to be in and try to create something innovative. But before talking to other people, please do your own homework, your research, to understand that the idea you are building, it's kind of possible to do at least a tiny possibility to get it done. Because if you will create something, I don't know, like an idea of free money for everybody, to be honest, it's silly idea. Nobody will take you at a serious level to talk to you. Nobody will definitely help you. That's why please validate your idea, be sure, and at the same time it's better to have sort of background like education, or maybe your job experience, your working experience, or maybe your PhD, DBA within this domain, because that's how you can convince people that you're not just awake this morning with this idea and trying to make a great business based on your just immediate dream. You need to convince people that you spent a while, and then more time you spent on developing this idea, then more valuable the idea is, and then more at a more serious level it will be recepted by people you will talk to. So in a conclusion, I want to 100% agree with you. The idea costs 10 cents, but it must have thing to initiate, to kick off the whole thing. And then on your journey, you should expect that probably based on statistics and data, your idea, your project won't be successful within the first year, within the second year. And from my personal experience, in every single business starting to be bolder and getting some legs only on year 3, year 4. On year 5 you will have some, let's say, profitability break-even point, and I believe year 6, 7, 8 and 10 you will meet more or less success. So it's gonna be either a sustainable business, or probably if you would like to act within the technical financial domain, you will go through IPO and you'll be a millionaire, billionaire. But at the same time, the idea worth almost nothing, but you have to have it, and the execution is everything. That's why prepare yourself. It's gonna be quite difficult and hard journey for you, as the majority of founders, they say, especially first-time founders, they say that being a founder, it's the toughest experience they ever had. So be prepared to experience a lot of pain, but you'll be rewarded, trust me, because it's really a cool journey. Just have fun. Thanks.